Okay, I just took this LENCENT European travel adapter on a trip to Egypt, and it worked like an absolute charm. If you are stressed about your tech staying alive overseas, here is what you need to know. This is an 8-in-1 powerhouse. It converts a single European Type-C socket into 4 US AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 fast charging USB-C ports. Also, because the prongs fold completely flat, it only weighs 4.2 ounces. You can throw it into your bag without worrying about loose metal scratching your camera gear or tablet screens. Crucial warning, this is not a voltage converter. It safely handles dual voltage devices up to 2500 watts, like your laptop or phone, but make sure your hairdryer supports 100 to 250 volts before plugging it in. If you want a compact, reliable way to charge your entire gear back in Europe or Egypt without carrying extra power strips, this is a smart buy. Highly recommended.